It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And sometime when we place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, in the long run or short run, the supplier may be out of stock. And as a result of that, the supplier may ask us to get a refund for that particular product as a result of out of stock. If you are finding it difficult to see how to get your refund for that particular item, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to claim a refund for product that has been out of stock on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce website or apps, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Sometimes we place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and at the long run or short run, supplier may be out of stock, and the supplier may be out of stock. And as a result of that, you will be asked to ask for a refund for that particular product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So if you fall in this category, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you get your refund back successful without any stress. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then have you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, click on here to proceed to your profile. Then on getting to your profile right here, click on here to check on the products that is not ready to be shipped. So it's going to take us right here. So I'm going to use this particular product right here as an example. Now let's see how we can refund our money back as a result of supplier out of stock. What you want to do is to click on here. And it's going to take you right here. So you can simply enter some statement right here, and at the same time, you can make sure you upload a picture or screenshot or video of evidence that the supplier is out of stock. And what we want to do next is to make sure we go back right here, and then here we just make sure we make a screenshot of this particular part. So I'm going to screenshot right now. So that is a proof. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here, proceed to refund. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I write my statement right here. And for my next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I write my statement right here. So what we want to do is to exit from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app now, and you have to make use of your Google Translate. So if you are using Android phone, you can go to your Google Play Store and download Google Translate for language translator from one language to another. So we can use this to communicate with the Chinese supplier. So if you are using iPhone, you can also go to your App Store, search for Google Translate, download and install it on your iPhone. Then you're going to have it like this. After you have successfully download and install Google Translate, next thing you need to do is to click on here to run the setup. Then here, what you need to do is to set your primary language translated into this language. So what I'm going to do is to click on here now. So I'm going to make my primary language to be English, while it will automatically translate into Chinese. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on enter text right here and type in whatever I want to type. Supplier, I will just say supplier is out of stock and can't send. Simple as that. So once you type, click on here to copy the Chinese character. Then you have to exit from the Google Translate, then go back to your Pinduoduo right here. So what you want to do is to click here and paste the text right here. So I'm going to click on here now and paste my text. Having pasted the text, I will click on this camera icon right here to upload the proof screenshots and click on here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to bring out the picture from my album. Then I'm going to select the picture right here, click on OK. Now we have the proof right here that the supplier is not ready to ship. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to submit my refund. So you have so many options right here. Now you can also translate this particular page here to know which one is going to be good for you. So next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot again. Then I have to make sure I exit from Pinduoduo. So this time around, I have to make use of my Google Chrome right here. So what we want to do is to open up our Google Chrome. Then after I open up my Google Chrome, I need to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to select translate. Then I have to make sure I select screenshot and select the screenshot right here. Now we have it right here. So these are different options by which you can choose. So here, don't want anymore. See cheap items, wrong product, style selected. The delivery address or phone number is not correct, it's incorrect. So my reason here is the last one right here, out of stock. I'll have to head over back to my Pinduoduo again. So here, out of stock, I'm going to select on that. Having selected on that, it's going to be added. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to submit my refund. Just like what you see right here, refund has been done successful. You can see the notification from Pinduoduo team right here. Then for us to confirm our refund, what we want to do is to simply go back. By the time I refresh this page, the product is no longer be here. You can go back to my profile. The product is no longer here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to track the refund process. So here we go. So this is the amount refunded. Next thing I need to do is to check my Alipay. I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here. Click on my Alipay right here to confirm the refund. So in my Alipay right here, so just like what you see right here, you can see a notification of 98.80 refunded back to my Alipay. So I can simply click on my messages right here. Then go to my notifications. Then go to payments. So here we go. So you can see right here, I have a refunded notice from Pinduoduo. These are the transaction ID from Pinduoduo. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to refund your money if a supplier is out of stock on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, step by step, without any stress. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.